Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
How was the paper? मॉक एग्जाम का पेपर कैसा था? पढ़ाई की ना सभी यूनिट की? कुछ डिफिकल्टी थी उसमें? Was there any difficulty?
No, ma'am.
कुछ पॉइंट्स रिपीट वगैरह करना है? कुछ समझ में नहीं आया? ऐसा कुछ है क्या? Anyone, was there a difficulty regarding any previous points? अपना क्या चल रहा था पॉइंट? पॉइंट क्या चल रहा था? मैंने कुछ तो बीसीडी एडर का चल रहा था, याद आ रहा है मुझे। फुल एडर, फुल सबट्रैक्टर सब कुछ हो गया है ना? एनीवन, कौन सा पॉइंट चल रहा था? मॉक एग्जाम देने के बाद सभी भूल गए क्या?
फुल एडर हो गया था मैम लास्ट टाइम।
फुल एडर हो गया था। फुल सबट्रैक्टर? व्हाट अबाउट हाफ सबट्रैक्टर, फुल सबट्रैक्टर?
वो नहीं हुआ मैम।
नहीं हुआ था। ओके, हम डिस्कस इट। आई थिंक आई हैव okay, we have discussed the half adder, full adder. We'll take it again, no issue. Now we'll go for the half subtractor. What is that half subtractor? It is a combination circuit with two inputs and two outputs. Okay. What are two outputs of the subtractor? What should be? That is a difference. We are getting difference and we are getting borrow. Okay. So to design this, you should have first write down the truth table of the half subtractor. We are having two inputs, that is A and B. Okay. All of you write down this truth table. Then find out equations from the K-map. Okay. And then tell me what you are getting the equations and what will be the logic diagram for this. Even though here it is a logic diagram shown here, but you should know how we are getting these equations. Okay. See, when input is a 0, 0, that is 0 minus 0 will be 0 with borrow 0. 0 minus 1 will be difference 1 and borrow also 1. Okay. 1 minus 0 will be 1 with borrow 0. 1 minus 1 will be 0, 0. Difference is 0 and borrow is also 0. Is there any difficulty in the truth table?
नो मैम।
Suppose I have written like this input as a and B, but just I have to perform the B minus A. Whether the truth table is going to change? एक minute. Sir, काम होता Draw the K-map for this. शिपाई नसतो आमच्याकडे त्याच्यामुळे बघा शिपाई घेऊन या. What was question? That if I have to perform B minus A, then should be there any changes in the truth table?
Yes, ma'am.
What will be that?
For 0 minus 1, borrow will be 1 and difference will be 1.
Yes, difference and borrow are going to change accordingly if we interchange the subtraction sequence. Okay. Now what I have told you, draw the K-map for this and tell me the equation or verify you whether you are getting these equations. Okay. First, draw the K-map for the difference and tell me what is there any pair forming or quad is forming?
No, ma'am.
No. See, you need K-map again and again for further points also. Okay. So you should able to draw the K-map for each thing, and after K-map, you should able to write down the equation for that. एक बार आप लोगों की इस चीज की प्रैक्टिस हो गई ना तो खुद से डिजिटल पढ़ सकते हो आप लोग. ओके. नहीं हो रहा है कुछ भी पेयर और कॉर्ड. सो व्हाट यू आर गेटिंग द इक्वेशन फॉर डिफरेंस? कैन यू टेल मी?
A bar B plus AB bar.
Yes, you are getting 1 for this term and for this term. Okay, so what is here? This is a bar B. Now you are not getting any or not forming any pair or chord, so you can directly write the equation like A bar B plus A is 1, that's why it's A, and this is 0, so this will be B bar. So B bar, A bar B plus AB bar. Okay, इथे चुकीचं केलंय का? हा, इथे XOR सी. There is one mistake in a diagram. What is that mistake?
XOR symbol चाहिए मैम वहाँ पे.
Yes, it is only OR symbol. Okay, so there should be XOR symbol. Correct it. Draw the diagram from this. Now write down. Now tell me equation for the borrow. अभी इसी में तो फॉर्म और पेयर वगैरह फॉर्म ही नहीं होगा क्योंकि 1 एक ही है. Is it? Do you need to form the K-map for this difference equation to get the borrow equation? क्वेश्चन समझ में आया? Do you need K-map to form the Borrow equation?
नो मैम, डायरेक्टली लिख सकते हैं ए बार बी.
Okay, then basically what is the use of the K-map? We are using K-map to reduce the number of inputs, to reduce the literals, means we are reducing the equations. Okay, we here there is a one for only one term, so you can write down the equation directly this. So this will be a bar b. A bar b. कैसे करेंगे? How you will get that a bar b at the output? Which gate is required for this?
एक नॉट गेट और एक ऑन एंड गेट लगेगा मैम.
Yes. This, to get the equation a bar b means it's a product. Product means we require AND gate. Okay. And for XOR gate, you need this one. How you will get the a bar or b bar at the input? We are giving a and b as an input. Okay. But in one equation, we need a bar as an input. So what you have to do?
नॉट गेट यूज करना पड़ेगा मैम.
Yes, you have to use the NOT gate or inverter at this input, okay? So that you will get the A bar at this point. Got it? क्योंकि practical के लिए ENTC students specially you are having the practical exam for this subject, and digital electronics is a basic throughout, okay? So you should know all these things thoroughly. Should I go ahead?
Yes, ma'am.
कुणी आहे ज्यांना हाफ सबस्ट्रॅक्टरचा टेबल समजला नाही, ट्रूथ टेबल समजला नाही, काही नवीन आलेले आहेत, असं कुणी आहे का? डोंट हेजिटेट. न्यू स्टुडंट्स जे काही कुणी आले असतील, इज देयर एनी डिफिकल्टी? थोडं नवीन नवीन लोकांनी सांगा, त्याच्यामुळे इंट्रोडक्शन होईल, बाकी काही होणार नाही. इट विल बी इझी फॉर मी टू गिव्ह टर्म ऑफ मार्क्स अकॉर्डिंगली. Is there any difficulty?
No,
मुझे
ma'am.
अलग गुड मुझे अलग अलग स्टूडेंट से रिस्पॉन्स चाहिए. स्वरांजलि. Okay, thank you. Now, full subtractor. Same limitation for the full subtractor. That is the disadvantage of half subtractor is what? That you are using only two inputs. So for using three inputs, we are using the full subtractor. Okay. So it is a circuit with three inputs A, B, C, and again three outputs. Astil ka?
No.
No, it is a subtraction. So again, there will be two outputs like a difference and a borrow. Okay. Suppose A is the minus, B is the subtrahend, C is the borrow produced by the previous stage, and D is the difference output, and C dash is the borrow output. So what will be that? C. Again go through the truth table. हमें सभी को पता है क्या रहता है subtraction में. 0 minus 0 will be
0.
0 with carry.
1.
With carry.
0.
0.
0. 0 minus 1. दोन्ही सांगा एका वेळी.
Subtraction 1, carry 1.
Yes. 1 minus 0.
subtraction 1 and carry 0.
Difference 1 and borrow
0.
0.
0. Very good. 1 minus 1?
0, 0.
Yes. Once you know the truth table, it is easy for you because you should able to write. Your truth table is not provided in the question. You should able to write down the truth table while performing practical also. Then you should able to draw the K-map for this. Then from the K-map, reduction of equation is important, or finding out the equation, that is important by forming pair or chord. And after forming equation, you should able to draw this logic diagram. Okay. If there might be, due to the COVID situation, your exam will be online only for the further units also. So there will be the logic diagrams and they may ask question like this. Equation will be provided. You should able to draw the logic diagram or able to tell the correct logic diagram for this or reverse. Once if you provided with the logic diagram, you should able to write down the equations from the logic diagram. Okay. Now find out the, now draw the K-map for this. Okay, and find out the equation. Tell me. For difference, is there any pair is forming?
No, ma'am.
So there will be straightforward equation for that.
Yes.
What will be the equation? What will be the equation you are getting? जैसे फुल एडर के लिए मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया था उसी टाइप से हो रहा है वो ए बार बी बार प्लस ए बी यू आर टेकिंग आउटसाइड दैट यू आर गेटिंग एक्स नॉर देन अगेन यू आर सब्स्टिट्यूटिंग दैट ए एक्स और बी एज अ सी and then writing out equation. That's why you are getting that difference equal to a x or b x or c. I think I have provided you in last lecture. फुल एडर का मैंने बताया था एक स्टेप समझने में नहीं आ रही थी शायद अनुज है आपको ही नहीं आ रही थी
Yes, ma'am.
यस अभी इसमें भी सेम यू हैव टू डू इज इट
Yes.
Okay, very good. So finally again you have to write down the draw the K-map for this. Now tell me whether pair is forming or chord is forming. If pair is forming, how many pairs are forming? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am. Three pairs are forming.
Very good. Why I'm not showing you in a PPT or I'm having handwritten notes of it, even though I'm not showing you because I have to check whether you are doing or not. Okay. Yes, three pairs are forming. So what you will get the equations? Two horizontal and one vertical.
A
Is it
bar
check?
B. Yes, ma'am. Two horizontal and one vertical.
Very good. Those who are not getting things, just go through it. Draw the K-map. Tell me the equation for difference. Chetan, tell me the equation for the borrow.
Yes, ma'am. A bar B plus A bar C plus BC.
Is it a bar C or AC bar?
A bar C, ma'am.
A bar C. Okay, correct it. So from that again you have to see A bar C, AB bar plus BC. That is, you need one OR gate, okay, as there is addition. And if you observe this AB bar, BC and A bar C. So what you need? You need a AND gate for this. So we are using 3 AND gates and 1 OR gate. Finally, we are getting the output. लास्ट लेक्चर में किसी ने तो बोला था 3 OR गेट लगेंगे क्या यहाँ पे 3 OR गेट फॉर एडिशन? Do you need 3 OR gate to perform addition for this equation?
No, ma'am.
No, you can give 3 inputs to the OR gate. Okay. Now, next point is a n-bit parallel adder. मुझे ऐसा क्यों लगता है कि मैंने बाइनरी एडर लिया था और एग्जांपल्स भी लिए थे लास्ट लेक्चर में, नहीं लिए थे? सम ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 9 क्या होता है? शुभम, Shubham, are you there? No. बहुत बच्चों ने सिर्फ ज्वाइन किया है. प्रबल,
Yes, ma'am.
लास्ट लेक्चर में मैंने बीसीडी एडिशन पढ़ाई थी क्या?
Ma'am, I don't remember it.
एनीवन? मुझे क्या ऐसे हो रहा है क्या? मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैंने बीसीडी एडर के कुछ सम भी दिए थे.
पढ़ाया है
यस मैम बीसीडी एडिट कंप्लीट हुआ था.
मला असं वाटतंय मी बीसीडी एडर थोडं दिलं होतं, सम वगैरे घेतलेली, नंतर ब्लॉक डायग्राम एक्सप्लेन करते असं सांगितलं. इट्स ओके. ओके, कारण बरंच टर्म गॅप पडला आपला, तर ऍडिशन सबस्ट्रॅक्शन व्यवस्थित येणं गरजेचं आहे, तेव्हा आपण 4 बिट कडे जाऊ शकतो. One second. ओके, एन बिट पैरेलल एडर. अभी तक हमने देखा कि यू कैन add the 2 bits or 3 bits by using the half adder and full adder. Is it okay? So suppose you have to add the n bit. What you have to do? You need a n bit parallel adder for this. N bit means what? You can add the 4 bit, 6 bit, 7 bit, 16 bit also. Okay. So for that purpose, we need a n bit parallel adder. So this is the block diagram for this. What we are doing? We are connecting full adders. Now suppose we have to design the 4 bit parallel adder. What you have to do? You need the total 4 full adder. Suppose I have to design 8 bit parallel adder. What we required? अगर हमें 8 बिट के लिए 8 bit adder डिजाइन करना है, what you need here? What should be the changes in the block diagram? Not getting question? See, to design the 4 bit parallel adder, this A0 we require what? 4 bits. That is A0, A1, A2, A3. That means suppose 1000 is there. Then you need to add one more number. That is the B0, B1, B2, B3. Is it okay? And what is my question? If I need to add a 8 bit, what should be the changes in the block diagram? फोर ही फुल एडर यूज कर सकते हैं क्या?
No, ma'am.
Then for 8-bit, how many full adders are required?
8.
Yes, very good. 8. सभी को समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
This type of questions will be there for your practical or oral exam, even though if you are having the term work, I will ask this type of question because I am not expecting this theoretically. Okay, practically you should know what you have to do. Okay. See here. So in the block diagram, what is happening? We are giving the four bits. Okay, 4-bit input. So A0, A1, A2, A3, B0, B1, B2, B3. We need 4 full adders where we are writing here full adder 0, full adder 1, full adder 2, full adder 3. So full adder को क्या रहता है? एक carry in और एक carry out रहता है. Is it? And from this we are getting sum, that is a S0, S1, S2, S3. That is a bit by bit addition. Okay. We are getting the final result that will be in the form of the S0, S1, S2, S3. And finally we are getting the carry out. हम लोग जैसे ऐड करते हैं 1 0 0 0 प्लस 1 1 1 1. Okay. What you have to do? If you are getting carry here, this carry should be input to the next full adder. Again, similarly, if here carry is generated, this carry should be what? Input to the next full adder. It's like this only. So see, which is the lowest stage here? That's full adder 0. It's the lowest stage. Okay. Whether we are getting carry for the LSB, LSB में कहाँ से carry आता है क्या? LSB can generate a carry, but whether we are getting the carry for the LSB,
No, ma'am.
no, because like a unit place, in unit place we are not getting any carry and on, so you can make that C in permanently 0. So hence its C in has been permanently made 0 and the rest of the connections are exactly same. Okay, this is about the n-bit parallel adder. Now BCD adder, as I am telling you that already I have explained you. Now see, I will give you one number to perform the BCD addition. Already we have seen it. It's okay. These are the BCD addition rules. What are the rules? Add two numbers using rules of binary addition. What are the rules? If the 4-bit sum is greater than 9 or if carry is generated, then the sum is invalid. And if the sum is invalid, what we have to do? We have to add 6 to correct that sum. Okay, that is 0 1 1 0 that you have to add. So if carry is generated from this addition, add it to the next higher order BCD digit. And if the 4-bit sum is less than 9 or equal to 9, then it's okay. There is no need to add the 6 here. Now tell me, I will just give numbers. You can tell me orally or you can write down in your notebook. Okay. Just perform that 2 plus 6. 2 plus 6. Perform BCD addition. Write down the equivalent, binary equivalent of 2. Write down binary equivalent of 6 and tell me whether you are getting carry and what you are getting sum. नंबर कळला मी चॅट बॉक्स बघणार नाही आय एम एक्सपेक्टिंग ओरली बता दो आप लोग फटाफट व्हाट विल बी द 2 plus 6 8 what Then means whether our sum is valid or invalid by this rule?
Valid.
Valid. It is a sum less than 9, so it is valid. So no need to add 6. Okay, and what about carry?
0.
We are getting carry 0. Now next step, add 7 plus 6. Tell me about sum and tell me about carry. करो आप लोग, अगर क्लास में रहते तो करना ही पड़ता था. ऑन योर वीडियोस कितने लोग कर रहे हैं? है क्या बुक किसी के पास? सेवन प्लस 6. Any other student should give answer. Otherwise, I will randomly announce the number. Should I? किसी का नाम बोलूं क्या? दिव्या? दिव्या Haddock.
Yes, ma'am.
7 plus 6. What you are getting? Don't perform the addition in a decimal only. I know decimal answer. Write down equivalence, binary equivalent for them, and tell me the equation. Tell me the numbers that you are getting. Digital electronics is not a theoretical subject only. Okay, you have to perform all these things. Otherwise, it's of no use. Prasad Shimpi 1101. Prasad,
Yes, ma'am.
now tell me what is sum that if it is a 110. What about carry?
Carry 1.
Are you getting carry?
Yes.
Yes.
कैरी 1 आ रहा है.
आ रहा है. What numbers you have taken?
No, ma'am. 0 आ रहा है.
प्रसाद शुभम. शुभम गायब हो गए थे क्या बीच में?
No, ma'am. Problem. Network.
Okay. Gayatri. Gayatri is saying correct. Prasad, check it again. Are you getting carry? 1 plus 0 will be 1. 1 plus 1 will be 0 with carry 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 will be 1 with carry 1. And 0 plus 1 will be 1. You are getting only 4-digit answer. So where is the carry? It should be fifth. Are you getting 5th digit answer? प्रसाद, डोंट हेजिटेट. आन्सर बरोबर सांगितलंय. मी फक्त काय विचारतेय, 5 डिजिट आन्सर मिळते का? म्हणजे तुला तुझं काय चुकलं हे कळेल ना.
No ma'am, 4 digit answer आहे.
मग 4 डिजिट आन्सर आहे तर तू कॅरी का म्हंटला? कॅरी आलाय? कसं आहे, आपलं काय चुकलं हे कळणं महत्वाचं आहे. नेक्स्ट टाइम वी कॅन इम्प्रूव्ह. बाकीचे तर आन्सर पण देत नाहीत, त्याच्यापेक्षा आपण खरंच बेटर आहोत, हो ना. नाउ टेल मी whether it is a valid or invalid BCD number.
Invalid.
Invalid आहे मॅम.
नक्की. So what you have to do now?
Add 0 1 1 0.
Good. Now add it and tell me the answer.
0 0 1 1 with carry 1.
Yes, 0011 with carry 1. Now tell me valid BCD number. That is your final answer. How we are writing? Vipul Raut 10011. Yes, correct. Is it a now valid BCD number? See, you are having practical for this BCD addition का practical करना है हम लोगों को using 7483 IC. So what external में क्या रहता है? Just they will say add these two numbers and tell me. You should able to explain your answer. Why you are adding that 6? That you should able to explain. Otherwise, even though you are getting correct result, it's of no use if you don't know the reason behind it. Okay. Is it a valid BCD number? Yes or no? Anyone? क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि आप लोग सब कुछ भूल गए हो. What you are getting? 10011. Now tell me how you will write it into the BCD form. You have to group it into 4 digits. So tell me last 4 digits, what it represents, which number it represents. Prabal.
Ma'am, 3.
Yes, 3. And you are getting the carry as a 1. So you have to write down that 1 as a 0001 in the form of 4-bit. Okay. So what will be the decimal equivalent now? 0001 will be 1 and 0011 will be 3. Then what is result now? 13. Vipul Raut. अरे मग बोल ना तू, चॅट बॉक्स मध्ये का टाकतोय? ओके, ऑल ऑफ यू गॉट दिस?
Yes, ma'am.
मग रिपीट करावं लागलं. मला असं वाटतं मी लास्ट लेक्चरला हे सगळं सांगितलंय. इवन दो I think I have provided you one page image also on a group. Okay. If not, I will give you. Now is it clear? I will give you one more number and now I am expecting correct result and with correct explanation. Okay. All of you got it? How we are getting 13?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, good, very good. You have to combine that into the 4 bits and then write down decimal equivalent for this. Okay. See, next number is a 9 plus 8. Take down this. This is the last one. I'll give two numbers as a homework and tell me in the next lecture that results. Then only we can go for the practically with CD adder with the block diagram and all the things. 9 plus 8. Perform the addition for 9 plus 8. $17 येत आहे मला पण माहिती आहे. Perform it in a binary and tell me. अरे अरे किती जणांनी?
Ma'am, answer
कॅरी
is
जनरेट
0.
करा मॅम.
काय म्हणतो चेतन?
कॅरी जनरेट होते मॅम.
Yes, where you are getting carry 1. But what about the sum? Is it a valid or invalid? Tell me only.
Invalid, ma'am.
Sum is invalid.
Valid है ना? Valid है.
व्हॅलिड आहे मॅम.
Yes, it is a valid because you are getting 1 for this, na? And carry 1. Now,
Yes,
what you
yes
have
ma'am.
to
Ma'am, पण
Okay.
greater than 9 है ना?
हा मग लेस दॅन 9 चालतं ना. ग्रेटर दॅन 9 असेल तर 6 ऍड करायचे. Got it? What we are seeing till now two condition, that is the sum is equal or less than 9 and carry is 0. Then you don't need to add the 6. Okay. Second case was sum is greater than 9 and carry is a 0. If sum is greater than 9, it is an incorrect result. So you have to add 6. Okay. And now I have given the third case, that is the sum is less than 9, less than or equal to 9, but carry is equal to 1. Sum is valid. Okay. But you are getting carry. Then what to do? 6 add करना है हमें या नहीं add करना है?
येस मॅम.
करना है.
Yes. Now add 6 and tell me the result.
10111.
10111. What you are getting answer?
येस मॅम. 10111. ग्रुप केल्यानंतर मॅम 0001 आणि 0111 असं येतं.
What it represents now?
1 and 7.
So finally, are you getting result?
येस मॅम. 17.
Yes, good. 9 plus 8 is equal to 17. Code for today's subject is 4. Okay. And my lecture is 3rd. So 3, 4. That will be code. See, I'm giving two numbers that as a homework. 83 plus 34. Tell me in next lecture answer. Okay. जब मैं प्रैक्टिकल लूंगी तभी डिस्कस करेंगे फिर से अभी पॉइंट में लेक्चर में नहीं डिस्कस करूंगी. $83 plus 34 इक्वल टू बताना है आप लोगों को, दिख रहा है क्या? और नेक्स्ट 79 प्लस 16। होमवर्क समझ में आ गया? क्या करना है?
Yes, ma'am.
You have to add these two numbers, that is a 83 plus 34, and next is a 79 plus 16, and you have to tell me these answers in a Friday's practical lecture or next lecture. Okay, then I will go through the block diagram and all this IC number BCD adder IC is there. We'll see the discussion. Okay, is there any difficulty till this?
मैम वो 7 + 6 के एडिशन में ना 2 times 1 एंड कैरी 1 लेते वक्त फिर से कैरी 1 कैसे आता है?
7 plus 6.
हाँ
कैरी कहाँ आया है वहाँ पे? यू आर नॉट गेटिंग
नहीं
कैरी.
मतलब एडिशन में 0 1 1 1 और फिर 0 1 1 वो 0 आता है, तो एडिशन करते हो तो वो थर्ड 1 1 के नीचे कैरी आता है ना एक 1,
हाँ,
तो उसका एडिशन पूरा 1 आता है और फिर से कैरी कैसे बना जाता है फिर?
1 0 plus 1 1 plus 1 0 with carry 1 1 plus 1 0 with carry 1. Carry तो 1 आ रहा है ना ऐसे. You are getting answer as a 1 1 0 1, isn't it? So it is an invalid BCD number. That's why we are adding 6 in it. That is a 0 1 1 0. After adding 0 1 1 0, you are getting 0 0 1 1 with carry 1. Is it?
यस मैम.
हाँ, मग तुला तुझं क्वेश्चन नाही कळला. What is your question?
मैम एक मिनट कैमरा ओपन किया है
Hmm.
तो इधर 1 1 आया ना, ए वाला 1.
थोडस इथे घे. हा, एक मिनिट. तुझ्याकडे हीच बुक आहे का काय?
हाँ
हा, 1 1 म्हणजे काय? ते कॅरी, वो कॅरी है.
हाँ तो
That
वही
was
मैं
for. हाँ,
वही बोल रहा था, ए 1 1
डबल.
का 0 आया
हाँ, तू तुझी बुक
और ये
थोड़ी बुक थोड़ी साइड को ले लो. हाँ, बोलो अभी.
ए 1 1 0 आया और फिर 0 1 का 1 आया, तो
नहीं नहीं
कैरी
नहीं. Yes, yes. Okay. I got question. Okay. See, whenever you are adding 3 ones, that is 1 plus 1 plus 1, then at that time you are getting 1 with carry 1. Okay, this is again one rule of addition. Got it? तुम कैसे बोल रहे हो कि 1 plus 1 0 आ गया with carry 1 आ गया, ऐसे बोल रहे हो ना?
हाँ मैम.
तो at that time you are not considering carry. 1 plus 1 अलग से ऐड कर रहे हो 0 और फिर 0 plus 1 बोल रहे हो. ऐसे नहीं रहता. जब 3 1 रहते हैं तो 1 plus 1 plus 1 that is equal to 1 with carry 1. Okay?
ओके मैम, थैंक यू.
Okay.
मॅम
चलो. हाँ, बोल ना.
मॅम ते इनव्हॅलिड असतं ते नंबर 9च्या वर असल्यावरती ते नेमकी कळालं नाही मला. ऍडिशन केल्यावरती इनव्हॅलिड म्हणजे चेक काय करायचं नेमकी?
चेक हे करायचं की सम number, whether number is greater than or less than 9 and whether we are getting carry. Okay, if sum is equal to or less than 9 and carry is 0, then you don't need to add 6. Okay,
म्हणजे
next if sum, हा बोल.
म्हणजे बीसीडी ऍडिशन केल्यानंतर जे सम येतं ते लेस देन 9 आहे का नाही ते चेक करायचं का?
हा, पहिली जी ऍडिशन येते ना ती नंबर ग्रेटर दॅन जर 9 असेल तर 6 ऍड करायचं. लेस दॅन 9 असेल, लेस दॅन और इक्वल टू 9 असेल तर गरज नाही. ओके, म्हणजे ती व्हॅलिड नंबर आहे असं होतं.
ओके मॅम, मला वाटलं ते 9 + 8 असेल म्हणजे वरचं असेल तर चेक करायचं म्हणून कन्फ्युज आहे. थँक्यू मॅम.
ओके, चालेल. शुड आय एंड मीटिंग? और इज देयर एनी क्वेश्चन?
नो मॅम.
ते 2 नंबर्स करा तुम्ही, म्हणजे तुमचं आणखीन क्लिअर होईल. काय चुकतंय की बरोबर आहे ते बघू आपण. ओके.
ओके मॅम.
ओके, होमवर्क करा म्हणजे जरा तुम्हाला प्रश्न पडतील. ओके, आय विल एंड द मीटिंग.